Hey, well, hello YouTube. Here with another Blu-ray unboxing, and I just got this in. It is Superman and Lois, the fourth and final season, and Companion in 4K UHD, both released by Warner Brothers. So there it is, unboxing going, yeah. Alright guys, let's start with Companion, which I'm hearing good things about. Nice artwork on it, I guess. I wish it was a better poster, but that's fine. Starring Sophia Thatcher. I first noticed her acting in Yellow Jackets, the TV series. You guys want to pause and read that? She's very good. I'm also getting her other movie appearance, Heretic, the Steelbook from Zavi, which I should get next week. These are the same people that did Barbarian. Kind of crazy that Barbarian doesn't have a physical media release. Same thing. Let me see. I got a code which I'm gonna keep. Standard, no artwork on the disc from the studios. Nothing on the other side of the insert, but I like that color. It is in, I think it's in, no, not Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, but HDR. So it should sound and look great. Wouldn't be surprised if they release it again in Dolby Vision. Alright, next up is Superman and Lois. Nice artwork on that one. This is the fourth and final season. I'm going to tell you right now, guys, this is the best Superman series on TV that I've ever seen. Just outstanding acting, outstanding writing. So if you guys haven't seen it yet, I highly recommend you check it out. Same thing on the back. The only downside is I think they had like digital codes for season 1 and 2, and 3 and 4 they don't have digital codes, so I'm gonna have to buy it. This one, they kind of changed up the artwork on this. They only did 10 episodes. That's why you only get 2 discs. Come on now, focus. Focus. And the FX CGI is great for what the budget they had. Well, that's it, guys. But hey, if you like this unboxing, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and give me a thumbs up. See you guys later.